Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you 7 amazing benefits of basil seed. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Basil, also called great basil, is a culinary herb of the family Lamiaceae. Basil is native to tropical regions from Central Africa to Southeast Asia and is used in cuisines worldwide. How to eat basil seed? Basil seed are most nutritious when soaked in water and consumed. They begin to swell at the touch of water with a translucent white film coating each black seed, and they become twice their size. You can soak about 2 teaspoons of basil seeds in 1 cup of warm water for about 15 minutes. Warm water causes the seeds to fully swell up, releasing antioxidants and beneficial digestive enzymes. There are a plenty of basil seed uses. These fragrant seeds do not really have a distinct taste and can be added to a variety of dishes for a nutritional boost. They are great as a garnish for drinks and desserts. Blended is a lemonade sprinkled over kulfi. They impart their own fresh and grassy touch. You can munch on these seeds as a low-calorie snacking alternative. Add it to pastas or soup for a crunchy feel. Basil seed benefits. Number 1. Helps in weight loss. Basil seeds are known to be rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which comes from high level of omega-3 fatty acids present in the seed. These acids help in boosting the fat-burning metabolism in the body. It also full of fiber, so keeps your stomach satisfied for longer and prevents unwanted cravings. You can add it to a bowl of yogurt or sprinkle some in a fruit salad as a pre-meal snack to control appetite. Number 2. Reduce body heat. In some Asian countries like Thailand, basil seeds are used to make a drink along with water, sugar, honey, and sometimes coconut milk. It is a great drink to sip on to beat the scorching summer heat. They are one of the best body coolants. They are known to lower your body heat, which is why people often add them to refreshing drinks like nimbu pani, sherbets, or milkshakes. Number 3. Control blood sugar levels. Basil seeds are considered to be good for type 2 diabetics, as it is known to keep a check on blood sugar levels. They slow down the metabolism of your body and thus control the conversion of carbohydrate into glucose. You could simply mix soaked basil seed in a glass of milk and have it for breakfast. It makes for a wonderful healthy drink. Number 4. Relieves constipation and bloating. Basil seeds are known to naturally detox your body and regulate smooth bowel movement. What really works in having a glass of milk with some basil seeds before going to bed for a couple of days. It acts as a stomach cleanser. They contain volatile oil that helps in relieving gas from gastrointestinal tract and aids in digestion. Number 5. Treat acidity and heartburn. Basil seeds soothe stomach burn and their diuretic function. Flush out the toxin from your body. They neutralize the acidic effect of HCl in the body and bring relief. Soaked basil seeds are full of water and they help in soothing the stomach lining and thus relieve the burning sensation. Number 6. For healthy skin and hair. Basil seed crushed into a coconut oil and applied on affected areas help in treating several skin infections like eczema and psoriasis. Crush the seeds without soaking it in a cup of coconut oil and warm it for a few minutes before using. Eating basil seed regularly helps your body secrete collagen, which is required to form a new skin cell and when they are damaged due to normal wear and tear. Basil seeds are full of iron, vitamin K and protein. These minerals are essential for long and strong hair. Protein and iron also promotes hair growth and adds volume. Cures cough and flu. Basil seeds have antispasmodic property, which means that they soothe tension in the spasmodic muscles and relax them. This way, they help in controlling whooping cough. They strengthen the immunity of the body. Flavonoids like vicinin, orientin, and beta-carotene fortify the body defense immune system. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.